These exercises strengthen the pelvic floor for bladder and core control. This muscle supports bladder and lower core stability. Controlled relaxation is equally important. This completes one controlled Kegel cycle. Exercise 2 increases endurance of the pelvic floor. Holding builds strength and control. Slow release prevents muscle fatigue. This supports long-term pelvic health.
Exercise 3 trains quick muscle response.
This improves control during daily movement.
Rest prevents overuse.
This completes exercise 3. Exercise 4 builds deep pelvic stability. Supports core and lower spine. Controlled release maintains balance. This strengthens daily function. Consistent practice improves results over weeks. Practice daily for best results. Strong pelvic muscles support lifelong health.